This is Don the Average Joe coming at you again. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to another cooking vlog. Alright. This is Run Bullets number 2, vlog 2. Alright. So what's going on in my kitchen today? Making something different, of course. You know, because every time that I cook, it's always something different. I'm always throwing stuff together. Alright. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be making Callaloo empanadas. Alright. Yeah, I know where empanadas originates from. You know, this Spanish, you know, dessert or a Spanish delight. All right. You know, they usually make with you know, chopped meat, right? Turkey chopped meat, beef chopped meat, or you know, regular chopped meat. You know, put in there. That's what they originally make the empanadas with, right? What I'm going to do today, I'm going to put my twist on it, my Jamaican twist. Alright, I'm going to make with callaloo. And of course, you know, Jamaicans out there, my Jamaican folks out there, y'all know what callaloo is. Right? But for y'all, American folks, right? And I'm pretty sure a lot of your American folks are very well versed with the Jamaican culture and the Jamaican culture and Jamaican dishes. But for y'all who don't know what callaloo is Jamaican spinach. Right? It's spinach Jamaican style. It's grown almost the same way, kind of similar, except the callaloo grows a little bit higher, about 4 or 5 feet or so. You chop it, you know, from your garden, and you know, you cut it up, and you cook it. All right, and it's basically simple, you know. And of course, y'all know what callaloo is good for. Greens are good for you. All right, a lot of vitamins, iron, and so on and so forth. Keep you healthy and so on and so forth. So my version of that today is the callaloo empanadas. I'm going to incorporate it with some, here we go, some peas and carrots. All right, put some of that in there. So, of course, I have no access to fresh callaloo. You know, due to the fact that it's out of season. You know, you can't really grow that here in the East Coast in cold weather. All right, so I'm using canned callaloo. Right, that's the double deuce. You know, they call it, you know, Jamaican spinach. Alright, so that's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using canned callaloo. Alright, I'm going to be using 3 containers, 3 tins of it. Yeah. So here we go. I'm using 3 tins of callaloo today. Peas and carrots. I like putting, you know, for my seasoning, a cock soup mix and chicken noodle mix. I'm gonna throw that in there. And of course, I got my empanada disc. Right? These are frozen, of course. You know, you can get the ready-made frozen ones at the you know, Spanish store. You know, which is why I like to go shopping. You know, Tropical Fresh on Main Street, Poughkeepsie, New York. I got the regular white ones, and these are the colored ones. All right, see a different color, right? White and brown. All right, no difference in taste. You know, just difference in color. So that's what's going to make happen today. All right. So let's go on this cooking adventure. I already got my seasoning in the pot right now. I'll bring the camera over so y'all can see what's going on. Yep, I got all my peppers and onions. I'm gonna throw some garlic in there. Right, so that's going right now. Alright, so my garlic paste, you know, I put about half a teaspoon in there. I'm sorry, half a tablespoon. Alright, I love putting this stuff in there, it gives a good flavor. portion, the first segment of my empanadas, my vegetable empanadas, or my callaloo empanadas. I get vegetable empanadas. You know, with a callaloo, you have carrots and peas in there. All right. So I'm gonna let that simmer down. I'm gonna let that cook, and then I'll start the second process of the callaloo empanadas. All right. Okay, folks. So my callaloo and my veggies and all that stuff is on its way. All right. I just popped the spices in there a little while ago. You know, some all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of hot sauce, right? Jamaican style hot sauce. Pick a pepper. Put that in there with some cayenne pepper, turmeric, and all the other good stuff. See all my spices in there. That's curry powder, you know, but not that stuff. So this is actually Moroccan seasoning. You know, I got in this New Orleans style container. You know, but this is Moroccan all-purpose seasoning, and it gives a good flavor. All right, and here's my all-purpose, seasoning Maggi all-purpose seasoning that I threw in there, and that's turmeric. Right, I didn't have a container for it, so I just put it in that container from my old black pepper container, and I forgot to put some cayenne pepper in there. So I'm gonna throw that in there, a little bit of that in there, to give it a little bit of zing. Yeah, and that should be it. I'm going to give it about another 3 minutes on the stove top. Let it sit there, simmer, and then I'll turn the stove off. I let it cool off, for a bit before I apply it to the disc and start throw them in the saucepan. I got my saucepan right there with vegetable oil in there, and I got the stove turned down on low heat, very low heat right now, just to get the process going. All right, so as soon as the next process comes up, I'll give you some more footage. All right, peace. All right, folks, welcome to the second segment of my callaloo empanada cooking segment show. Anyway, the callaloo vegetables and stuff like that are finished, simmering on the stove top. They cool off a little bit. So my next step is now to go through the process of preparing the disc, right? Marrying them together, folding them over, and putting them in the frying pan and get them fried up. I'm hoping to do 20 discs in a short period of time, all right? Because I have an appointment at 11:15 today, so I gotta get out of here by 11 o'clock. All right, so here we go. ladies and gentlemen, I'm just about done. The last one is in the pot right now. I guess I saved the worst one for last. Because that one came out, kind of crappy. Alright. But that might be the best eaten one. You never know. Anyways, I'm done. 20 empanadas. Has landed. Alright. They're all nice and crispy. I got the red ones and I got the white ones down the bottom. The color ones and the other ones down the bottom there. So I'm gonna let them cool off, sit and cool off for a couple hours. And I'm not gonna eat all this by myself. I'm gonna share with family and friends. Alright? Because I'm like that. I like to share. I like to give. Alright? Because I like my blessings in return. Alright? So I have the last one that's in the pot right there, finishing up. And lots of leftover callaloo and veggies. See all the leftovers in there, I can eat that for later on, tomorrow, take that to work. Alright, so here we go. It's the last Mohegan in the pot there, finishing up. Alright. And that's it. Alright. That's it for this video. My Callaloo empanadas, Don the Average Joe style. Thanks for watching my channel. Like, subscribe, share, comment, right? And I want to get my daggone subscribers up. I want to get it up. I want to get to 100,000, 200,000. Alright? Get the likes up and all that stuff. I need to start making some damn money. Alright? So I can quit one of these damn jobs so I can do the shows. I love cooking. I love cooking. I'm thinking about getting one day in the damn future, getting a daggone food truck. Making stuff like this. Vegetarian empanadas, beef patties, jerk chicken, fried fish, steamed fish, beef patties, all different varieties on my food truck, right? Breadfruit, and what else? Bami, and festival, fried dumpling, fritters, and all that stuff, my little Jamaican food truck, without, I'm gonna do ackee and sausage breakfast and stuff like that. I might do ackee and sausage, different kind of stuff. Ackee and sausage empanadas, you never know, right? See, I'm giving away my secret. So, if anyone out there, take my ideas and run with it, I'm gonna come get them. I'm gonna ball this bitch up on you. Alright, see this big hand right here? I'm gonna ball this bitch up on you. You gotta take my ideas and do something with it, alright? Don't let me catch you doing it. Anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Right, I'm going to end my videos with a little, B-roll montage. Slow music, slow jam, and we're gonna get to the new baby. Like I said, in this kitchen. Like I said, like, subscribe, and hit that comment button. Share with everybody else out there. So I can get these subscribers. I'll double up on these subscribers, multiplying these subscribers. Right. Follow my website. Go to my website. T-shirts are available. Don the Average Joe. T-shirts available. Sleeveless, long sleeve t-shirts available. Don't make me ball this up t-shirts with my big hand. That's available, all kinds of different colors, whatnot. And also go follow my other channel, the Vehicle Don, where I have my car vlogs and whatnot. Right. So thank y'all again for watching my channel. What we have today, Callaloo empanadas, with some carrots and peas in there. It's gonna be delicious. I can't wait to eat some. I take some to my co-workers. Take them to the restaurant, to my wife, and pack and eat, and take them tomorrow to my mom and my sisters and brothers and my dad, so I can taste some. And we'll take some to my co-workers on my other job on Monday, right? So everybody can enjoy it. I love to spread the wealth. You know, spread the wealth, spread the love. You know, give food. You know, you get blessings back. I get it back. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, Don the Average Joe. Thanks for watching. Peace.